Hi students, in this video we will discuss about call by value or pass by value. So what is call by value or pass by value? So in this, while calling the function, the value of the variable is passed as argument. Now what happens in this is, in call by value, if we make any changes in one function, it will not affect other functions. That is call by value. Why? What is the reason? If we make any changes, it will not affect other functions, means while calling the function, the value of the variable is passed as argument. That is why if we make any changes in one function, it will not affect other functions. That we call it as call by value. So after this, again we will discuss what is call by reference or pass by reference also we will discuss more. Now here in this example, if you see, here I have declared one variable. So here we have a function called modify function. Inside this function, it will take one parameter as n, then n equal to n plus 10, then again it will return back to main. Now here we have n value is 10, we are displaying the value, what will be the output before modify and what will be the output after modify function call. Now let us see what happens here is, first let me show you the execution. So here we are n equal to 10, before modify n, that is it displays 10 here first, then we are calling modify n, this n value is passed to this particular function, then n value is 10, 10 plus 10, 20 will be stored in n, then again it will return back to the main function, then after modify n value will be displayed. So let us see, after modify also it will display the value 10 only. So whatever the changes here we have made, that will not affect this function. That is call by value we will call. Let us run the program. Now here you can see, before modify n value is 10, after modify is also n value 10. Now let us see why, what is the reason before and after we have the same value. Now here when we declare int n equals to 10, so with the name n it will allocate some memory. So for integer variable n, let us assume that its address is 1000 and it will store 10 and it will allocate 4 bytes of memory for n. So before modify n, what is the value in n? 10. This 10 will be displayed onto the screen. Modify n, so n value is passed, this 10 will be passed. So what happens here is, again for n, inside modify function, one separate variable will be created, separate memory location will be allocated for n. So let us assume the address of that n is 2000. So here this n is local to the main function and this n is local to the modify function. So whatever the value we have passed, that will be stored in n, that is 10 will be stored here. Now the statement n plus 10, now n means this n it will access 10, 10 plus 10, 20 will be stored in this n only. If you display here n, it will display 20. Now when it returns back after modify n, what is the value in this n which is local to main function? 10. So it displays 10 onto the screen. So this concept we call it as call by value or pass by value. That is, if you make any changes in one function, it will not affect other functions. What is the reason here? Because variables are local to the block in which they are declared. That is, the variables declared in one function are not visible in other function. So let us run this program once again. So displays 10 and 10. This is call by value or pass by value. Okay, in the next video we will see call by reference or pass by reference. Thank you for watching.